Hello student, today we are discussing on the next point, and that is methods and techniques of teaching writing skill. There are various methods and various techniques of writing skill, so we are going to discuss on those points. You know that writing is difficult skill than reading skill, because reading skill we can achieve quickly, but writing skill we can take an effort. Then it involves manual skill. It involves manual skill means such type of holding a pencil, pen, controlling the muscles like a fingers, keeping a paper or a notebook straight, then hand and eye coordination. The teaching of language, writing should not begin with the teaching of alphabet. The method and techniques of teaching writing should be as given follows, like that. The first is give the learners sufficient oral teaching. Take reading from the blackboard or flashcards, and the movement should be like that, horizontal line, like that, then vertical line, like that line, then like a zigzag line, like that type, curve line, like that curve line, like a half circle line, like that. This is the pre-writing stage, and learner sufficient give this practice. Then tell the learners to write large movement using a pen or pencil to develop good penmanship, like that. Then the next is take practice for many times. This is a pre-writing stage. Then he can develop the writing skill. Then second one is group the letters according to shape. You know that in our alphabets A to Z there are various type of shape of those letters. How? Like that. Look at these letters. Here is O, A. This is a small a. C, E, D, B, G. Like that. These are small letters. Then we can divide it in like that dividation. Round capitals. Round capitals means, for example, O, Q, C, G and D. These letters are contains in round capitals. These letters are round capitals. Then square capitals, for example, H, N, M, T, Z, A, X, U, V, W. These are the square capitals letters. Then half square capitals, for example, E, F, L, K, Y, I, J. These are half square capital. And half circle letters, which are they? You know that S, P, B, R. These letters are half circles. Okay, means when we group the letters according to shape, these are like that letters. So introduce small letters or capitals in the beginning, because each method has its advocates. Okay. Number third. Which is the next technique? The teacher should give instructions. Teacher should give the following instruction to the pupils while writing, and that is body should be upright. Means it is our good habit. Every student should be sit properly while he was writing. While he is writing, that time body should be upright. Then arm should be parallel to desk. His arm should be parallel to desk. He sit properly when he write. Then head should have little bend, not more or not or less, but a little bit bent. Then eyes should be 12 inches from paper. His eyes and papers, the distance between how many? 12 inches, like that. Paper edge should be parallel to the edge of the desk. Means this paper edge and like the desk paper edge, this is the parallel, should be a parallel. Paper edge should be parallel to the edge of desk. Then hand should rest lightly on the end of the little finger and side of the wrist.
Means what, teacher?
Hand should rest lightly means hand, the position of hand should be a rest lightly on the end of the little finger. Means here are our fingers and this is the little fingers. Then hand should be a rest on the little finger like that position. This is the right position. Here is the little finger and our hands rest on the little finger at the edge of the paper. Okay. Then transcription copying first exercise. Transcription or copying means transcription means to copy from the text. Means first exercise in writing copy books with 4 lines used. When the students, for example beginner students or learners, he should be write on 4-line notebook or 4-line paper. Then the teacher should write very simple words from the textbook on the blackboard, and use of the flashcards will be used for the activity. A small sentence on the blackboard should be asked to copy down. Then use substitution table. This is a very important stage and it is a useful to small student also. Substitution table means here are 3 columns like that. For example, here are some words like a subject, here is a verb like object. Then from those words make a sentence like that. Then teacher can use various items. Which type of items? Like match the following, fill in the blanks, then multiple choice, questions with keywords, transformation, picture presentation and discussion. These are various types of items and teacher can use in the class. Then dictation. This is very important part of every student. Dictation means a passage which is going to be given to the student for dictation. Must be known to them. The words should be known to them. Teacher asks a passage orally and student can write down the passage, which are the known words. There are 2 kinds of writing script. The first one is print script. Print script means which is the printed words. We know already about which we read on the blackboard or textbook also. And on blackboard we can write second one type, which is cursive script. Look at these alphabets. Here is some alphabets written by cursive script. For example, this is a capital A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the letters, alphabets, and these are the capital cursive letters. And here are some small letters. This is also a words, the name of students. This is also the name of boys. Means these are the cursive scripts. And print script is preferred for beginners, and cursive script means running handwriting, like that. We can run fast like that, like that, like that. Means there is a, this is the cursive writing. We can write fast with the help of cursive writing. It should be introduced after the pupils have properly acquired print script. Means after 2-3 years cursive script. Cursive writing means to give little tail. Little tail means here. Notice, look at These words here are the little tail of every letters, and to give a little tail to join the letters, like that. Means each and every words have a little tail, and this tail join to another letters. So we can write fast with the help of cursive writing. Cursive writing is easy to acquire, and it is used for higher speed in writing. In writing there are 3 types of slants like that: backward slants, forward slants, and erect slants also. So these are the techniques. Today we discuss about those techniques. In this point, the sub point is methods and techniques of teaching writing skill. There are many type of skills given to the student from the teachers, like shape according to shape. Then there are some instructions, then transcription copying, then dictation words, and last one is a cursive script, and also slant line. So these are the points included in methods and techniques of teaching writing skill. Thank you.